Hi guys, this is Samson from Malawi, Africa. Today we are going to learn about the VFX concept. Before that, we want to learn some fundamentals of video editing. So for that video editing, I selected the software name is Filmora. So Filmora is one of the best video editing software. Using this Filmora, we can able to implement the VFX also. And the Filmora is the one of the portable software. Okay, so it's take very less amount of storage. That's what I select the software, and the software support all the systems. Okay, so it's not need any special configuration. So this is a very small software, so anybody can able to use this software. And another one thing, the software is a very what easiest one, so you can able to learn very short period. Within 1 or 2 days you can able to learn all the things about this software, and at the same time we can able to implement our VFX, means our creativity using this software. VFX means normally it's a creativity. We have some imagination, so we can able to give life for our imagination. That's called VFX. The VFX means it's a new one. Okay, we can able to what give the life for our creativity. So using this Filmora, we can able to implement our concept. Okay, that's what I select the Filmora. So this one is the very easiest one, and it's easy to install. Okay, and same time, recently I saw this software in a Google Play Store also, so you can able to download that also. And this is the Filmora, the environment. It's look like a what normal video editing software. Maybe some people already work with that Windows Movie Maker, correct? It also look like a Windows Movie Maker, but it's look like a Windows Movie Maker also. Uh, it have all the same options here also, but it have some small modification. Okay, so normally some other software it come with some less amount of layers, but it have more layers. It have some advanced options also. So step by step we can learn this Filmora. First one, what how we can able to import our media file. So here it have the option import. You can able to select the import. So you can able to select the option import here. Then you can able to open, okay, our media files. Means here we are using three types of media files. The one is the video, and another one is the audio, and another one is the image. Okay, maybe the format may be different, but some of the video softwares they support some limited number of file format, but this Filmora support the maximum file format. So we don't want to any other supporting software for convert the one format to another format. Here the Filmora support all the latest file formats. Okay, so here I select one video file and another one audio file for our fundamental video editing. Okay, so here I split our session into three parts. The first one is the fundamental of video editing. The next one, the creating of video tutorials, and the third one, the pure VFX. Okay, so you can learn easily. Okay, so the first I select. So this for fundamental video editing. So here I select one video and another one audio file. So here this one is the video file and the another one is the audio file. So this area is called what the media area. Maybe we keep our all the files here. So another one important point, every time you keep all the media files in a single folder. Okay, you don't follow the multi folder. Suppose you delete any one of the file, finally you will get a error. So you every time you keep all the media files in a single folder. Okay, so here I have one video file and another one is the audio file. So first, before editing, we want to keep this file in a track panel or layer panel. Okay, your layer or track is the common word for video editing. So the bottom it have a track panel or layer panel. So I just drag that video file here. So the top one is the video and the bottom is the audio. Okay, here using the video editing or audio editing softwares only we can able to watch the audio. So here the bottom is the audio, the top is the video. So this is the layer panel. So here this is the layer one, and using this plus button we can able to add n number of layers like a Photoshop, correct? Photoshop also we keep a number of layers. The same way here also we can able to keep a number of layers. Okay, so the number of layers is more than we can able to create the perfect VFX effect. uh, Normally all the video editing software it have some fixed number of layers, but here we can able to add more. Here the fixed is it's a what we can able to add a number of layers here. So this is the what the right side top, it's a live preview panel, so we can able to watch our video preview here. And suppose we want to crop or we want to cut, delete all the options, you just right click. Okay, so when we right click we get these types of options. That's what this software look like, a very simple one, but hiddenly it have all the options. Okay, normally the some of the softwares come with all the more options, so it's look like very difficult one, but here it have all the options, but all the options are hidden. So just right click we can able to explore all the options. So here some of the all options every time we want to use, maybe speed and duration, we can able to increase and decrease the speed of the what video or audio. And another one important one, mute. And another one same time detach audio. Detach audio means we can able to split the video and audio. Normally some other software you can able to find out the option as a split audio. The same thing here, it's a detach audio. Maybe the word is different but the concept is same. Mute means we just what the off the sound of the audio, but detach means it is separate. Suppose you select the detach, here you can able to find out the audio in a separate layer and the video in a separate layer. Now we can able to delete this audio separate, we can able to delete this video separate. Okay, and the same time we can able to crop the audio and we can able to crop the video in a separate manner, but the without detach we can't able to what crop in a individually. Without detach means we want to what we want to crop the video and audio in the same time. After the detach we can able to handle these two files in a different. Okay, okay, this is the procedure for crop. I just click the end and I just drag the my mouse, then we can able to crop the audio, say, crop the video, and same way we can able to crop the audio also. Okay, just click we can able to crop the video. So and same time I delete the video, sorry, audio. I just click the audio file and I just press the button delete. Okay, it was deleted. Finally, I get to the only video, it have no audio. Okay, so this time I can able to insert some other audio. So this is the normal procedure they followed all the video editing software. Okay, so this is the very fundamental one. I just drag the new one, the Inky Pinky audio. So this audio length is very high. Okay, the video is very short, but the audio is very length. So we can able to what crop the particular audio means what? Just click the end and I can able to drag the mouse. So now the video size and the audio size is same. Okay, so this is the fundamental one. So this is not a VFX effect. Okay, so this is a fundamental of video editing, and the important thing is a title. Okay, so when I click the title icon, then I will get these things. Okay, normally these text effects. Well, we can able to add the text effect the front of the video or end of the video or intermediate of the video, and the same time we can able to add the subtitle and the end we can able to add the credits, and the starting of the video we can able to add some headings, and the intermediately we can able to add some watermarks and everything. Okay, using this option we just double click, we can able to insert. When you click double click and you will get this option, then you can able to change your title here. So you just click here and you can able to modify your title here. Okay, so it's like a normal video editing, but these types of advanced level text effect we can able to only find in a Filmora. Okay, suppose you need any one of the new latest types of text effect, then you can able to download from the internet. Okay, it's a free of cost. So suppose you find out any one of the new text format, text style, then you can able to download that particular text style from a internet. Okay, and you can add that particular title in a another one of the layers. So now it's a some of the layers. One is the audio layer, and another one is the video layer, and another one is the title layer. And this what you can able to add a number of video in different layers, and you can add more titles here. And normally Windows movie maker you can able to keep only one video, or you can able to play only one video in at a time. You can able to add only one title in at a time, but here it have no limitations. You can able to add a number of videos in a multi-track, and you can able to add more title effects in a multi-track. Okay, so these things are a very fundamental things. So another one is the transition. Transitions means we can able to add some effects intermediate between two frames. Two frames means or two media, or you can able to add this transition effect inter between the two image or two video or one image or two text. You can able to add some intermediate effect. Okay, some fire effect, some moving effect. Okay, so this one is the very important one. Normally the professional way we are select just a blur effect for a transition. Okay, some of the maybe the wedding album or some other photo albums we can able to use some of the uh, what some of the effects. And one of the disadvantages of this film, or I have no slideshow options. Maybe some other softwares it have some default slideshow options, but this software it have no that types of slideshow options. So you want to create that slideshow in using these transition effects. Okay, so this is the effects. So this is the very important one, and another one concept also here that is called colorization. So that's our one of the important one nowadays. Most of the videos you can watch in Instagram, all the videos come with some of the colorization effects. Okay, colorizations means you dominate some particular color. Okay, maybe normally suppose you take any one of the video from a garden, then you can able to dominate the color green, then it's look like it's more natural. So maybe it's what seaside, then you can add some blue color. So these types of things called colorization. So some of the software, some of the other video softwares, you have some option you want to what adjust some parameters, then you will get some super what colorization concept. But here the Filmora everything is a template. You can just click, you can able to select. Suppose you want to convert your video into a black and white, then single button click you can able to convert. Not only this software, other softwares also have the same options, but here the Filmora it has some extra number. Okay, some other software maybe it have 20, but the Filmora have nearby 40 or 50. That's what the special. Okay, so you can able to select any one of the options here. So here you have two options for save your work. The first one is save project. Save projects means you can able to modify that file in any time. Okay, you understand? Like a Photoshop. The Photoshop means first you want to save your file into a Photoshop file. Next only you will change. You can change the file in a JPG. Same way here. First you want to save your file in a project file. Then you can able to modify. Okay. So the first option, file, save project. Okay. The next one, export. This is very important one. Okay, so I want to explain something about, or I want to compare to other software and the Filmora. The Filmora here, the panel is the very simplest one. The export panel is very simplest one. Here you can able to select n number of your required file format. Here the MB4 is the default one. Here also you have more file formats. Suppose it's audio, then you can able to select MP3. Okay, normally the MP4 is the portable format nowadays. Why? Because the MP4 file support our WhatsApp or Instagram. So nowadays everybody using the WhatsApp, Instagram, and nowadays most of the people have a YouTube channel. So the YouTube also support the MP4 file. So here the default selection is MP4. So it default follow the high resolution 1920 and 1080, and it follow the frame rate 25 frames per second. Okay, so it's a quality one. So here you can able to easily export it, not ask any more questions. Suppose it's some other software means you want to select more options for high quality, but it come with the default setting, it come with the high quality. So just you click the export button, then you can able to produce high quality your videos. Okay, and some of the quality setting also there, so you can able to select best, better, good, or you can able to change the resolutions also. Okay, nowadays everybody give the importance for what quality and the clarity. Nowadays everybody like a HD 4K. So you don't want to change the default setting. The default setting come with the HD. Okay, so the Filmora is the very simplest one, so you can able to learn very easily, and you can able to download the software from the internet. Okay, after export your file, you can able to play this mb4 file in your mobile, your laptop, or your TV everywhere. Okay, so that is the mb4 is the one of the best format nowadays. So you try to produce your output in a mb4. Okay, using this Filmora we can able to add what all the fundamentals effect mean. We can able to crop the video, we can able to cut the video, and same time we can able to change the audio, we can able to modify the audio, we can able to what we can able to add the brightness and everything. Okay, so it's look like a very simple one, so you can able to use this one. Double click the particular layer, then we will get these options: video, audio, color. Okay, these three are very important. The video, here it have transform, compositing, stabilization, chrome key. Here the chrome key only we are using for our green screen remove. Okay, the next one, audio. Here we can able to edit our audio, and it have equalizer, and we can able to adjust, and we can able to remove the noise also. Okay, and we can able to add what this is the best one, fade in or fade out effect for the audio. And another one, we can able to increase the brightness, and or sometime we can able to reduce the brightness also using this option. So these are the very important for the video editing. So the Filmora also have these options, and it's very easy, we can able to modify our video file and audio file. Small video clip for VFX. Now I hope everybody understand the basic concept of the VFX. The normal video editing and the VFX it have one different. Suppose you follow the only one the video track, then it's called a normal video editing. Suppose you follow the n number of video track, then it's called VFX. Okay. So another one important thing, the VFX, the mainly it follow a concept of green screen. Okay. Without green screen concept, we can't able to implement VFX. So the green screen also have another one name. It's called the Chrome key concept. So okay. So some of the video editing software have the name as a what green screen, and some other software it have a Chrome key. But this Filmora it have the these two names also. It have option green screen and the same it have the Chrome key also. Here I will use the name of the Chrome key. Okay. So my concept here I have some videos. Okay. I have 4 videos and 3 images. The one is the uh, one person video. It come with a background green, and another one woman video also that it come with the background green, and another one video come with the background green. It's like the news emblem, and another one video it's full of background. It have no green color. Okay, so it's full of some other animated background like a TV news background. And I have another 3 images. These 3 images look like some of the what high-tech background or high-tech office or high-tech classroom. Okay, so using these videos, okay, I will create some video effects. And this session mostly used for the teachers. You can able to create your own super or what effective and super video tutorials. Okay, so you don't worry about that. You just select one background for your teaching. Okay, maybe you don't worry about that your background color. Okay, normally everywhere you told the green screen, you don't want to worry about the screen. You follow the common color. Okay, suppose you have a white color background, then it's okay. Then you have a pink color, then it's okay. You don't worry about that. But you want to follow the same color background. Okay, pink means pink, yellow means yellow, and same time you want to keep your background color and your dress color is different. Okay, don't use the same color dress and your background. Okay, so suppose your background is green, then you wear the blue color dress. Okay, so you understand the scenario. Okay, so you don't worry about that. You just using your mobile phone, you can able to record your tutorial video with any one of the uh, background. Okay, after that we can able to change the background. Maybe you can able to change your background into some of the HD background, HD video background, or maybe in your college, or maybe in your some other maybe the wonder. Maybe you can able to select your background as a Taj Mahal, and the same time you can able to select your background as one of the classroom. Anything you can able to change. Okay, so this session we are going to learn how to create the super video tutorial. And nowadays most of the uh, teachers and students have the YouTube channel, so you can able to upload your super videos. And our Filmora also support for MP4, so it's very easy to upload. Okay, so the same way I select all the files in this what this track layer or this layer panel. Okay, so here we want to understand some fundamental concept. Okay, so it's look like it is same as our Photoshop. So all the files are one by one. So we want to select the file 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here we have 7 files. All the files have their own audio also. Okay, so here you can ask how you select the background number or what the layer 1. There the layer 1 means it's very far. Okay, you first want to understand the concept, then it's very easy. First you want to select the very back layer, okay, or you are going to what keep Taj Mahal as your background, means you want to select layer 1 as a Taj Mahal. You want to keep your background as a one of the some of the flowerish effect or some of the crystal effect, means you want to keep that particular file as a layer 1, okay, based on the distance or depth. Okay, so normally we are using the word as a depth. So what are the objects have more depth? You want to select that object in the layer 1. Okay, based on the depth you want to select the files. Okay, so here I select this blue screen or that particular video as a background, so that's a layer 1, and I keep some of the images layer 2, 3, 4. Okay, but now it's in a hidden, so here I just close the eye so it's not visible. And the top of that I select, I keep what the particular videos in the top. Okay, so now you can able to understand the concept. Our main objective is we want to remove the green screen. Okay, green screen means we want to remove the green screen or some other color. Maybe you have a pink color, then we want to remove the pink color. Maybe it's a Photoshop, we can easily remove. Okay, it have some of the magical selection tools, you can able to click the particular color and you can able to remove the particular color. But here it's a video means we know it's a number of frames. Normally it come with nearby 60 frames per maybe seconds. Okay, then you just imagine we can't able to remove all the frames. So this software, it has some options. Okay, using that particular option we can able to remove the same color. So that's what we follow, the same color. Some people ask why they are using normally green color. Why? Because the green color means it is something different. The human have no green color in their body. Okay, maybe some people ask the blue also we have, but no, some of the peoples come with the blue eye. So here they avoid that types of color. Normally the universal they are follow the green color. Okay, suppose your green background is green, that time you want to keep some other different color of dress, some different color of jewels. Okay, so our objective is we want to remove the green color. So suppose you have some other video editing software, maybe you guys use the Adobe Premiere or some other software, you just search it, you have the option green screen. Most of the software they have an option green screen, or it's a chrome key. You just select that particular options. Here also the Filmora, it's very easy, you just double click the particular layer. What are the layers come with the green color? Just double click. In our layer we have 7 layers totally, but here only the 7 6, the 7 6 and the 7 6 and 5 only have a green color. Okay, so just double click. When I double click the particular layer, and I will get this option as a chrome key. Okay, so you can understand. So here I get the option chrome key. Just double click. Okay, you don't want to double click the other layers. Right click means you will get some more options, maybe cut copy. Double click means it will come with the chrome key. Okay, so normally it's default, it's selected green color. Okay, normally it was selected green color. Maybe suppose you have a green what the pink color wall, then you can able to select the pink color. And suppose you have a yellow color wall, then you can able to select the yellow color. Okay, then suppose you select the same color, suppose the color is little different, using this pillar you can able to select the color here. Okay, when you select the same color, then automatically the system remove the particular color. Okay, the same way we want to remove the green color of these 3 layers. Okay, finally after the remove of green color, you will get these types of output. Okay, Understand? The background is the blue color video, and this is the small layer, and this is the lady and the man behind. So it's not a what real one. It's not a real one. The objects are in a what unwanted places. We want to rearrange. How can we rearrange? It also very simple. You just click the particular layer here. You just want to click the particular layer in a layer panel, and the same time you want to click into a preview panel. Okay, so first you want to select the layer from here and you want to select here. Okay, so this is the procedure. Here I select the lady layer, and here it come with the what, this adjustment rectangle. So using this rectangle I can able to make what the increase the size of the object or decrease the size of the object, and same time I can able to change the location of the object also. Correct? You understand? So first step, we want to take that file in a order of the based on the depth, and we want to remove the back color, what, sorry, green color. We want to remove the green color from all the layers. Here we have a 3 layers come with the green color, and the objects are in a not in a proper location. Then we want to arrange, means what, we want to select the layer here, and layer here means what, it's a layer panel, and same time we want to select in a click, we want to click in a preview panel also. Okay, so then using this rectangular adjustment, then you can able to make the object in a, we can able to change the size of the object, and the same time we can able to change the location of the object also. Okay, so finally everything come in a proper position. Okay, now this everything in a proper position. Then finally after the finishing my work, I can able to export my project in a mb4 file. Okay, now you understand. And another one small creativity for double acting. Okay, so here double acting, so I just remove the particular person, and the same another layer I add the same lady. Okay, so here you can able to find out this also and this also the same, these 2 layers are same. So here, but it's not in a proper position, so it's the same way I can able to change the location. Okay, so it's a very simple one. Within 10 minutes you can able to uh, create your super video, and same time you can able to add your college logo, or you can able to your YouTube channel logo you can able to add. Okay, and another one thing, you can able to add some different images as a background. Okay, so here I just select. Okay, here I select this one, and next I select this one, and you can able to get the attractive backgrounds. Normally the room it have no move, correct? So it's a fixed object, so you can able to select the image for that. Okay, okay, now I will play the final output video, then you can able to understand. Okay,
Do you have a black box insurance? Have the company you are with treated you badly? Tell us about it. No, really, tell us about it. It's why you are here. Black box insurance reviews are fast and friendly, one of the top black box insurance review sites on the internet. Do you have a black box insurance? Have the company you are with treated you badly? Tell us about it. No, really, tell us about it. It's why you are here. Black box insurance reviews are fast and friendly, one of the top black box insurance review sites on the internet.
This is the final session. Here I will go to implement one small creativity or I will go to create one small scenario, okay, using the VFX effect. So here I download more pieces of video. Here I have one bad video and one sky, and another one is the falls, and another one is the sea, and another one is the jumping fish. Okay, so I have five files. Okay, so you can able to download your requirements from the YouTube. Okay, you just search. Suppose you want butterflies, then you can able to use Chrome key butterfly, and suppose you want any bird, then you can just type chrome key bird. So you can able to collect n number of collections. Maybe you can able to get some of the 3D dinosaurs also available, so you can able to download and you can able to use that things in your personal videos. Okay, so here I have some small clips, 5 clips. Using this 5 clips I can able to create one of the small creativity. So here I arrange the same thing like the previous exercise. Here also I arrange the layers based on the depth. So the sky, it have more distance, okay. So I select the sky as a layer 1, and the sea also it have some distance. So I put it's a second layer, sea as a second layer, and I have another one falls. So the falls in a very front, so I select it as a that layer, and I have another one dolphin, okay, or one jumping fish. The jumping fish it have very small scene, so I select it in a two time, okay, time one, time two, but in a layer of four, okay. So final one bird. This bird is very small sparrow, so I keep it in a very front, okay. So it's a last layer or very front layer. So sky is a very last, so I select it's a first layer, okay. So like a Photoshop. So here also we are going to remove the green color, okay. So here our all the layers have a green color, the same concept. We are going to remove the green color, okay. Suppose you need any green object, so you can able to create using some other software, or you can able to download based on your creativity, okay. So n number of collections are there, so you can able to collect. So the same concept, using the chrome key I remove all the backgrounds, okay, or background green color. So finally I get this output, okay. So it's not look like a real, the falls in middle, and this bad size also very big. So I want to adjust the size of all the objects, but the sky in a correct position, and the sea also in a correct position, and I fix this center as a dolphin. Why? Because now the dolphin layer is out of time, so it's not visible, okay. So here it's a fall, so I want to adjust these falls into here, okay. So I want to manage. So the same way, first we want to click, or first I want to select the layer here, and then I can able to adjust, okay. So first I select the sparrow, and I can able to change the size of the sparrow, and at the same time I can able to change the uh, place of the sparrow also, okay, understand. So all the objects in the misplaced, so I want to rearrange it, okay. So first point I want to select the particular layer, and same time I want to click the particular object in a our this what preview window also. Then we can able to, then automatically this square will come. Then using this square we can able to change the size and change the location of the object, okay. Okay, I finally I will get this correct one, and I can able to save it as a mp4 file, okay. I will explain another one time, so this is very important one. So here I have a 5 files. All the files have a green color, background. So the first one is the sky. Why? Because I select sky as a layer 1 means the sky have more depth. Okay, so I select the sky as a layer 1, and I add the sea as a layer 2, and the falls as a layer 3, and the fish in a layer 4, and the 5 is a bird. The bird means it's very closer, so I select the bird as a layer, last layer. Okay, last means very friend of your display device. Okay, so next our task, we want to remove the green color. Green color means it's a chrome key or green color. So you have any other software, you just search, you have a green screen or chrome keys. These two are same. Okay, maybe uh, software by software it will change, so you can able to check your software have this option, then you can use that. Okay, and after remove the green screen, finally this is our what output. Okay, so the output is what, it's not a real one, everything in a misplaced. Okay, so now I want to arrange everything in a proper location. So uh, so the first point, so you want to select the object in a layer panel. Next you want to select in a preview panel, then you can able to adjust. Okay, so here I select the bird, then I can able to change the bed location and bed size also. Finally I will rearrange. Okay, this is the final output. Now I am going to change, but this here the everybody have a every layer have a audio, the audio also good. Okay, the audio also good, so I don't want to change the audio. Okay, so I can able to export this file. So you ask, why sir you always show the but still based? Why? Because for the what export. Okay, suppose I play the video for screen recording, it stuck sometime, that's what I keep everything as a still. Okay, but finally I will play the videos. Okay, so at the same way you can able to implement all your creativities like a big budget movies. Okay, suppose here I have only 5 layers only, but suppose you have more than 20-25 layers, then you can able to create fantastic effects. Here also you can able to add some butterfly, and you can able to add some aeroplane, and you can add some more fishes, and you can add more effect. Okay, based on your creativity. So this is the fundamental. So we want to remove the green color. So this is the fundamental of VFX. Or not only green color, we are going to remove, or we are going to separate one object. Okay, normally image only we can able to separate some object. Image means we can able to remove the head, we can able to remove something, but video it's not possible. But using this green screen concept, we can able to separate some object from a video clip. Okay, using this green screen concept, we can able to implement the VFX effect. Okay, after the completion of my work, then I will export.